I have MEIZU Pro 7 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the MEIZU settings. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen right here. Let's find and select the settings. Then you need to scroll down and choose the storage and backup. Scroll down again and select factory data reset. Here you've got some options, so you can reset phone to factory defaults. So you wipe contacts and other personal data as well as all apps. Let me just click it, and also you can format internal storage, so you can erase all data on the internal storage including the photos and videos. In my case, let me perform the full reset, so let me erase everything and let's tap start resetting. So fully factory reset will wipe all data including photos and videos. So if you are aware of this, let's tap OK, and the device is performing right now the hard reset. So let's just be patient and wait until the whole process will be completed. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it simply means that the hard reset is done. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.